Hey everybody, Mr. Regan here, and today we're going to be looking at how to complete your conference prep slideshow activity here, where we're going to be looking at really getting caught up on the following three things. Some old work that we maybe missed or haven't completed yet, some new work that we have for the remainder of the week, and some digital work to get us organized and prepared for our parent-teacher conferences that are coming up. So, on the second slide, you can identify some of our targets, what we're looking to accomplish, what you guys are going to be doing, some of the resources that you're going to be using throughout today's lesson. And today, obviously, we started with task 1, and you're currently watching the video. If you get through the video and you're like, I really don't know how to use the slideshow, and you put your X in the red section here, call me in right away before we get started. Let's figure that out together. Otherwise, if you put your X in the green or yellow, let's go ahead and look at the next task in line. You're going to start off by looking at 3 videos that we've looked at and really gotten to know in these past weeks that are going to help us with today's lesson. So split screening, finding a shareable link, and finding missing work in PowerSchool. So if you're somebody who doesn't know how to do one or more of those 3 things, this is where we're going to start. Make sure you know how to do these things. It's going to make today a lot easier as we move forward. Once we dive into task 3, this is where we're really going to hit on this idea of completing any old work that we have. Your job here is to check PowerSchool and record any missing, incomplete, or old assignments that you need to complete for my class, for science class. So you can go into your digital toolbox here. We obviously have a bunch of things you can use, but you're going to need PowerSchool. So you'll need to go into PowerSchool. You're going to look for these assignments here that you see on the left-hand side. There's a link there. If you don't have it, it will automatically add it to your drive if you don't have it for whatever reason. And you're going to see, do I have it? Do I not have it? Is it not done? Where am I at? If it's finished, submitted, you'll see that green check mark. So that means you need to put a green X into that column there, okay? And you obviously would need to remove the red X, okay, because it's not finished. Let's say you look and you see that 212A is not finished. It's missing. So you look in your drive and you find it. This is where this middle section is going to come in handy. This is your section. You can put whatever you want in this section or nothing if you need. It's just a place for you to keep your notes. So let's say you're halfway through 212A and you're finished up till task 6. So maybe you put in your start at task 6, whatever you need. Heck, maybe you put the link to the assignment there so you have a quick access to it. Then you'll continue on for the rest of the activities. Maybe you have 212B finished. Maybe you looked at 213A and you're like, you know what, I want to get a better grade. I want to redo and improve that. Okay. And I need to maybe fix task 2 and 3 and so on. Okay. And you'll do that until all your assignments have been checked from PowerSchool and this entire set of columns here has been filled out. So maybe all of these are done and then you can delete those. Okay. So again, making sure you're adding notes if you feel you need them, where and if you need them. From there, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to stop here at the dinosaur and you're going to click in the ask for help button. I want to come in and want to have a one-on-one conversation about where we're at with science. Okay. And make sure that you have everything you need to finish any missing work. We're going to continue on with this old work stuff that we have to finish and not work. There we go. And you're going to do that same thing for your math, history, and literacy class. The only difference here, folks, is obviously we don't have any assignment names. So when you get to this set of tasks, you're going to be putting the names of any missing, incomplete, or old assignments that you need to finish. So let's say you go in here and you notice that your, 5.3 assignment for math isn't done and you need to finish it, okay? And you'll keep your X there, okay? That sort of thing. And then you'll do the same thing for your exploratories here on task 5, and then you're going to call me in when you're done, okay? Let's say you only have your 5.3 math assignment done or that needs doing for all of your assignments. Finish it, do it, get it done, and then move that X over so you know that, hey, I finished that and I turned it in, okay? That's there for you. Again, if you leave this blank, that means that everything that you have for these classes have been turned in. Same with your exploratories for task 5. From here, we're going to have you stop, check in with me again, because when you move on, it's going to be to new work. The new work stuff is your homework for today. If you have any homework that was given out today that you need to finish, here's where you'll put the assignment name. maybe any important notes or links that you have about that assignment that are going to help you finish it or get to it quickly, and so on. You'll move on to here, which is our conference reflection slideshow. This is the slideshow that looks very similar to this one. It will be in your Google Drive here. And you're going to look to see, is it finished? Is it not finished? Where are you at with its progress? Maybe link it in here if you need. If you don't have the slideshow or don't remember, you can click on this. It'll show you an example of it. And if you know you don't have the slideshow, you can click on the Google form to get one. Okay. From there, task 8 is all about some digital resource cleaning up. So cleaning up Google Drive, cleaning up Gmail, cleaning up your Chromebook. So there are 4 steps to each of your cleanups, and each cleanup tells you what to do, how to clean up your Drive, how to clean up your Gmail account, and so on. If you don't know how to do that step, well, then click the guide video. It'll show you how to do it. Last but not least, this is the final one. If you have any tech issues that continue to come up or continue to happen, make sure you're filling out the form. Let me know if you had to fill it out or not. And then obviously double check to make sure you completed all 9 tasks. Okay. If at any point you have questions, reach out to me. Otherwise, good luck.